Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the Realme GT Neo 2 pricings, how you can actually get it for about 24,999 from the Realme website. This is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. The main reason is because right now the Realme GT Neo 2 will be sale in the Flipkart website and at the same time in the Realme store as well. You can actually buy from the Realme website as well. In the Flipkart website, the sale starts around close to 16th October at the 12 noon for the Flipkart Plus members, and first sale will be on the 17th of October. You can clearly see in the Flipkart website also there's an offer going on which is 7,000 rupees off. At the same time in the Realme website also you can actually get for about 7,000 rupees off. I'll try to explain you how you can actually get that from the Realme website. So as soon as you open the Realme GT Neo 2 in the Realme official store, official website, so you'll be able to see the bank offer, which is ICICI Bank offer exactly. So which is about close to 2,000 rupees off on the ICICI credit card and credit cards EMI credit card, and prepaid offer will be on the 3,000 rupees off on the first sale only. So if you're planning to buy this phone in the first sale, then definitely you can actually get the 3,000 rupees off. Doesn't matter what bank cards you are using, okay, in the Realme website. So any prepaid offer, any cards, bank cards, it will definitely work. 3,000 rupees off you can actually get on the Realme GT Neo 2. So in case if you have the ICICI credit card, you can actually get extra 2,000 off. So overall you're getting 5,000 rupees off on the Realme GT Neo 2 if you have the ICICI credit card. And one more thing is that you do get the Realme coins worth 2,000 rupees. So which actually worth, you're not getting 2,000 coins, don't worry, you are getting actually 2,000 rupees worth of Realme coins. So you can actually use the 2,000 rupees worth of Realme coins to buy anything from the Realme website. So maybe which is related to some kind of cooling clip, something like the Realme cooling clip latest one which they did order, maybe some other headset or earphones. You can now use those coins to buy from the Realme website in case if you're planning to buy. Even if you're not planning to buy, try to ask your friends or maybe anyone who is actually planning to buy, and you can actually buy it for them and you can get the cash back from your friends. That's what I do regularly if I get into this kind of situation. So finally friends, it's pretty straightforward in the Realme website. So there is not much happening regarding the exchange offers and all those kind of confusions. So if you have the ICICI credit card and if you pay using the credit card, so 5,000 rupees off and 2,000 rupees, you do get the Realme coin. That's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. In this way, you'll be able to buy the Realme GT Neo 2 for about 24,999, and if you include the Realme coins offer as well. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, I'm signing off, and this is a question which a lot of users did ask me, can you please show me in the Realme website how to buy, how to get that kind of offer. That's the reason I thought of making a video and explaining you clearly what is going on in this situation. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.